Today, I'll show you how to create a colorful dancing text animation in CapCut Mobile that instantly grabs attention and adds a fun vibe to your video. Let's start from the beginning. First, open your project in CapCut Mobile. From the bottom toolbar, tap on text, then tap Add Text and type in your title or caption. Next, go to the Font tab and choose a font style that suits your project. Clean, bold, or playful fonts work especially well for colorful dancing animations because the movement and colors remain clearly visible. Once your text is ready, tap on the Animation tab. Now switch to the Loop section and scroll through the available animations until you find one that makes the text dance while shifting through multiple colors. Apply it, and you'll immediately see the text come alive, moving energetically with vibrant color changes across each letter. Now, fine-tune the motion using the duration slider. Drag the slider to the left for a fast, energetic dance. Drag the slider to the right for a slower, smoother movement. Preview the animation and adjust the speed until it perfectly matches the mood or beat of your video. And that's it. You've successfully added a colorful dancing text animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fully detailed CapCut Mobile tutorials.